No one likes a closed-off kitchen, so let's open it up. First step, let's take the doors off the cabinets and uninstall them. Now we're ready to remove some drywall and double check these walls aren't structural. We'll temporarily cap off the plumbing and relocate the electrical. No walls mean new layout, but that also means we'll have to fill in the voids where the cabinet used to be. There's a concrete floor, so I'm using concrete anchors. We also need to relocate where all the switches and plugs are in that wall and install 2 new pendants. Now that all the wires are in place, I can build a post around them, re-vapor barrier and seal the ceiling, and of course, put the drywall back. Next up, it's time to tackle the floor. I need to stagger my joints so it looks like I wasn't even here. Glue them, press them, and roll them, and repeat till finish. Then I'll put some weight on it and let it dry for the night. I need to move the hood fan vent over 1 foot, then we can start drywalling. Cut out all our lights and screw it off. Have the plumber move the water lines under the cabinets, and now we can start assembling and installing our cabinets. Start with the uppers, then clamp them, countersink, and screw them together. Repeat till done. Once the cabinets are in place, you can start putting the finished gables on. Glue them, pin them, clamp them, repeat. We installed the pendant lights, hood fan, and doors. Then, we brought in the rest of the appliances. I reinstalled the pot lights and drilled out the plumbing for the sink cabinet. Then it was on to the hardware. Once the Lazy Susan was in, I could tape, measure, and drill all my knobs on. That ensures no chip paint. Installed the kicks, shelves, caulking, and then it was on to the baseboard. Once these baseboards were glued, nailed, and caulked, we could install the counters and finish the plumbing. But no new kitchen is complete without a new backsplash. A half brick lay pattern will do just fine. I'll let it sit for the night, grout it, be sure to squeeze it in every crack, sponge it off, and finish it off with a cloth. And we're done.